If you are a business owner and WhatsApp is the only place you sell, this video might be the most important one you will watch this year because WhatsApp is good, but WhatsApp alone is limiting your growth. Today, I will show you why depending only on WhatsApp is risky and how to expand your reach to Instagram, TikTok, YouTube without stress or a big budget. Let's be honest, most small businesses start like this. You post on your WhatsApp status, your contact sees it, a few people replies, and that's it. WhatsApp only shows your business to people who already saved your number. That means there is no new audience, no organic discovery, no real growth. If your phone gets lost, banned, or account is restricted, your business disappears overnight. A serious business cannot depend on one app. Now, let's talk about social media. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube are designed to push your content to strangers. For example, on WhatsApp, you chase customer, but on social media, customers find you. Imagine you sell caps, clothing, skincare, food, or you offer a service. One short video can reach 1,000 people, 10,000 people, or even more without ads. That's free marketing. Let me clear this confusion now. I'm not saying you should stop using WhatsApp. WhatsApp is great for closing sales, customer service, sending price lists, and building trust. Social media should be where people discover you, learn about your brand, and then move to WhatsApp to buy. Social media brings traffic. WhatsApp closes the deal. Instagram. Instagram is perfect for photos, short video reels, and branding. If your business is visual, fashion, food, beauty, accessories, start from Instagram. These are simple content ideas, new stock videos, before and after, packaging orders, and customer reviews. Now let's talk about TikTok. TikTok is the fastest platform for growth right now. You don't need followers, you don't need fancy cameras, just your phone, good lighting, and consistency. Now let's talk about YouTube. YouTube is powerful because your videos live forever. People search for products and solutions. You can start with YouTube Shorts first. Same video you post on Instagram and TikTok can be posted on YouTube too. This is where many people overthink. You do not need expensive cameras, studio, or perfect video editing. These are the simple things you need to set up. Your phone, natural light. For example, you can go close to the window, have a clean background, record vertically, use free apps like CapCut, keep the videos short and be consistent. Smart business owners don't work harder, they work smarter. One video can be posted on TikTok, reposted on Instagram Reels, uploaded on YouTube Shorts, and shared on WhatsApp status. Same content, different platforms, more reach. When people see your business on all these platforms, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and WhatsApp, they trust you more. You stop looking like one random WhatsApp seller and start looking like a real brand. If you're a small business owner and you are still selling only on WhatsApp, you are leaving money on the table. Start small, pick one app, post consistently, improve as you go because your business deserves visibility. If this video helped you, kindly like, subscribe, and comment grow. I'll be sharing more practical content on how to help small businesses grow online.